video, I'm going to be doing an inspired IKEA vanity. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. I had a lot of fun making and planning for this, and I have made this video like probably in like February, and I just now finished it because I've been feeling okay. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and let me know if you plan on making one yourself or if you have any questions. But yeah, I just kind of vlogged how to do it, so I don't know how well I explain it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I honestly love like building things and making things, my DIY decor and stuff. I was planning on doing like a whole room video, but I still am working on that. I still have some footage from when I started redoing my room. I'm gonna sneeze. Ew. Oh my gracious. Okay. I hope you all have an amazing, fantastic, wonderful day or night whenever you're watching this. Bye.